Hello, today we will guide you through how to change voice Notebooklm. To get started, open Notebooklm in your web browser. Once the site loads, you'll be ready to access a notebook where the voice settings can be adjusted. If this is your first time using the platform, take a moment to let the page fully load so all options appear clearly before you continue. From the main Notebooklm screen, click on a sample project. This gives you a quick way to work inside an existing notebook and access the tools needed for voice changes. Using a sample project is helpful because it already has content in place, making it easier to test your settings and hear the results without needing to set everything up from scratch. After the sample project opens, look to the top right area of the page and click on Audio Overview. This is the section where Notebooklm lets you generate spoken output based on your notebook content or prompt settings. If you don't immediately see it, just scan the upper right toolbar carefully, since that's where this option is typically located. Once you're in the audio area, select the sample format. This controls the style or structure of the audio output, so choose the option that best fits what you want to create. Picking the right format can make a big difference in how the final audio sounds and how the content is presented. Next, click on the sample language option. Here you can choose the language for the generated voice. Make sure to select the language that matches your audience or the purpose of your audio. This step is especially important if you want the voice output to sound natural and easy to understand. After that, click on the sample length setting. This allows you to define how long you want the generated audio to be. Depending on your goal, you may want a shorter preview or a longer output. Choosing the right length can save time and help you get a more useful result on the first try. Now enter your sample prompt. This is the text or instruction that guides what the audio will say. Be clear and specific so the generated result is closer to what you want. A well-written prompt usually leads to better audio output, so it's worth taking an extra second to review what you typed before moving on. Once everything is set, click Generate. Notebooklm will begin creating the audio based on the format, language, length, and prompt you selected. After it finishes, you can listen to the result and confirm whether the voice settings match what you were aiming for. That's it. You've now gone through the process of changing and generating voice settings in Notebooklm.